up everyone? Welcome to Vlogmas day 6. So this vlog is getting an awfully late start. I think it's about 3:30 right now and I haven't really done much all day. I did fake tan, not that it's relevant because I'm wearing a turtleneck. So I actually just got finished filming another video. You guys probably have already seen it. But yeah, I had some bad news that I had to share with you guys and I didn't want to make a video that I want to be happy, sad. So if you guys want to go watch that, you can. But for today's video, I decided to go ahead and decorate my room for Christmas, which I wasn't planning on doing, but my mom came over the other day and she found this box of my holiday decorations when she was getting all of her stuff out. And to be honest, I forgot that I even had any of this. And like I said, I wasn't even planning on decorating my room for Christmas, but I figured that since I have this stuff, I might as well put it to use. So in case you guys are wondering about how I have my room decorated right now, I did recently post my room tour. So I'll link that in case you guys want to go ahead and check that out, like if you're curious about just my regular decor. But today we're turning this into Christmas Central. So let's do this. First things first, I have this pillow, and like I said, I forgot that I had any of this stuff, but I'm obsessed with this pillow, and if I could buy it again, I totally would. So all that I'm gonna do is take my pink and white pillow off and replace it with this one. I don't know, I'm not good at this. How do you guys do that like karate chop thing to your pillows? I don't know, maybe that looks a little bit better. But anyways, this pillow I remember is from Home Goods. Obviously they change their inventory all the time and I've had this one for a couple years now, so you probably can't find it, but definitely look there if you want some festive pillows. That's where the gray ones that I have are from as well. So first step is done. I know that I want to put these lights up. Oh geez, these are all tangled. And I think I'm gonna put them on my headboard, but I was also thinking it would look pretty if I put them like kind of draped on the mirror somehow. So I haven't decided about that yet. So I'm gonna put these off to the side. Okay, so I have this sign and it says, "I'm dreaming of a white Christmas." This is from Home Goods. So I could either put this on my dresser or I could put it on my bookshelf, or I could put it on a nightstand, or I could put it anywhere. Well, at this point I might as well take everything out so I can weigh my options. I have all of that. Okay, I forgot that I had this tree. Jeez, okay. Guys, to be honest, I thought that I returned this Christmas tree. I did not know that I kept it. Okay, so this is all like bent up weird, so I'm gonna have to play with it, but this I definitely wanna keep on my dresser. Most of the stuff that you guys see is from Home Goods. So that's where this is from. It's just like the rose gold Christmas tree. It's really cute. And I think that'll look nice on my dresser. So I'll have to get that situated. And then I also have some mini ornaments. And then I have this little snowman. That's what he looks like, white and gold. And then I also just have these random little flowers and like pine cone decorations. So that's all the stuff that I have. I think I'm gonna put these over on my side of the bed, and I say my side of the bed like that's someone else's side of the bed. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep the flowers over here and then just have this side be primarily Christmas, and then this way it hides my Alexa. Sorry, I thought I heard my name. You did, I wasn't talking to you. Now I'm gonna put the Christmas lights. Let me see what they would look like if I put them on my mirror. Oh wait, I have two. Guys, they're two stuck together, so I could do one on each. Okay, never mind, there's not an outlet behind the mirror, so I can't plug them in. So they are going on my headboard. Okay, so I just put up the lights, and basically I just kind of like twisted them in and out of my headboard. I wish that you could see them a little bit more, but I couldn't get them to stay just like going across the top. So I went ahead and did that, and I still think that it looks really pretty. I think that I'm definitely gonna do something on this mirror. I'm either gonna use the other set of twinkly lights that I have, or I'm gonna use the red like tinsel garland stuff, but I'm gonna move this stuff around on my dresser. Okay guys, so I think I am content with how things turned out. So I'm gonna show you what I did. A lot of the stuff I know is from Home Goods, but the other things like the lights and the tinsel, like you could just buy that anywhere, like the dollar store or Walmart. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did to decorate my room for Christmas. So on my dresser, the main thing that I added was the Christmas tree, and then I put the Christmas lights on my mirror, and this was a really long strand. So instead of doing it twice, I decided to then like lay it across the top of my dresser. So I don't know, it kind of like frames the mirror and the whole area. And then the red tinsel I wasn't planning on doing, but I like the way that the lights look with it and how the tinsel kind of like reflects the lights and gives it that really sparkly look. So that's what I did there. And then on this mirror I had another strand of that tinsel, so I put it on this mirror, and then I had these random little ornaments, so I stuck those on there. And then over on this side of my room, guys, this is gonna be the most like choppy room tour type video, so I didn't have anything that I wanted to put on here, but I have these fake flowers, and I had some like winter flowers and pine cones, so I actually just stuck them into the flowers. And I know up close it kind of looks weird, but from far away you just see the red, and I think that that looks fine because there's really not much Christmas going on over on this side of my room. But like I said, I put the lights on my headboard, and then I just added the pillow. And then over on this nightstand I have the Christmas sign, and then I put my little snowman there, and he's actually one of those like scent things. I don't know what's on the inside of it, but it kind of smells like hot chocolate. So there you have my Christmas themed bedroom. One thing that I was thinking about doing is wrapping some fake presents and putting them like down on this bottom shelf, but I feel like you wouldn't really even be able to see them. But the one year in my old bedroom, I actually wrapped canvases that I had hanging on the wall so that they kind of looked like presents mounted up on the wall. So I feel like I could do something like that in this space. Oh, I just got an idea. So I know I mentioned this in my room tour video, but I have these like gold decorative frames hanging above my dresser at my parents' house, and right now they just have like a black and white text quote in each one of them, and I love the way that it looks. And I was already planning on hanging them in that spot eventually, so I think that I might just put a piece of wrapping paper in the frame instead of like wrapping the whole frame, because that would look really like uneven and bumpy. I might just put a piece of wrapping paper in those frames. So I will let you guys know in a later Vlogmas if I end up doing that. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, or if you think I should put something else on this side of my room or change something. But I don't know, I think it looks really cute in here. If you watched my update video, like I said, you will know that I've been in a little bit of a rut recently, and I haven't really been like super excited about Christmas, but I don't know, like I can't stop smiling like looking at the way that my room is decorated right now. So I feel more in the Christmas spirit, like I said, so I will continue my daily Vlogmas videos tomorrow, but that's all that I'm gonna do for today. If you guys decorated your room for Christmas, let me know in the comment section what you did. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.